Okay, and now we're ready. First, I'd like to thank everyone for participating in applicants' public roll call hearings via the WebEx platform provided by the DC Office of Open Government. My name is Laverne Fletcher. I'll be conducting the roll call hearings as the board's agent. There are three cases on the calendar today. The first one is Koyori Urara, case number 25PRO00015. Washoku DCLLC, 1608 Wisconsin Avenue Northwest, license number ABRA 131188. This is a retailer class CR restaurant for a new application, including summer garden with 25 seats. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. Is anyone present on behalf of
Yes,
Ms. Chang?
this is Chrissy Chang. How are you? Good
Hi,
morning.
Ms. Chang. Good morning.
Good morning. Good. Yes.
Uh,
The
so,
yes.
Ms. Chang, would you spell your name for the record, please?
Sure. My first name Chrissy, CHRISSIE. My last name CHANG.
Thank you, Ms. Chang. Is the applicant present as well?
Yes, Miss Urara Iwasaki is here.
Miss, would you please state your name and spell it for the record?
Yes, this is Urara Iwasaki.
Mhm.
My first name is Urara. My last name
Excuse me, excuse me 1 second. Can you start over with the spelling?
My first name is Urara.
U-A.
Urara.
Oh, okay.
Last name is Iwasaki. Iwasaki.
Thank you very much, Ms. Iwasaki. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 2E? Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 2E? Okay, I'm gonna recall this case in about 5 minutes. We allow some additional time in case anybody's having any technical issues. So
Okay.
I'm going to Ms. Chang and Ms. Uwasaki, if you would just wait for a few moments, I'm going to recall in a
Sure.
minute.
No problem.
Thank you very much. The next case on the calendar is Zeus, case number 25PRO00118, Zeus Hospitality LLC, 636 Main Avenue Southwest, license number ABRA 124023. This is a retailer class CT Tavern for a substantial change for an entertainment endorsement inside the premises. The protest issues an adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. Is anyone present on behalf of the applicant?
Morning, Ms. Fletcher. Cameron Mixon, the Veritas Law Firm, counsel for applicant, CAMERONMIXON.
Thank you, Mr. Mixon. Is anyone else present today? The applicant?
No, that's just me.
Okay, thank you very much. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 6D?
Yes, I am here. I'm Bruce Levine, BRUCE LEVINE, and I represent ANC 6D06.
Thank you, Mr. Levine. ANC 6D does have standing as a protestant. We need to set a date for mediation, a status hearing, and a protest hearing. I will give you the dates for the status and protest hearing first. The status hearing is scheduled for May 14, 2025 at 10:30 a.m. It's May 14 at 10:30 a.m. The protest hearing is set for June 11, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. It's June 11th. I will give you the next available day for mediation. The next available day is Tuesday, May 22nd. Actually, we could also have it on Monday, April the 21st. If anyone wants to come on that day at 11:30 a.m. So that's the first available day, Monday, April 21 at 11:30.
I believe Monday, next Monday at 11:30, will work on our end.
Okay.
I personally can't be there. I'll be out of the country, but it's possible I could get one of my colleagues too.
Oh, that'll be fine. Mr. Levine, so do you want to go ahead and set it tentatively for 11:30 on the 21st? Or when will you back? Will you be back anytime soon?
I mean, I'll be back at the end of the month. I mean, the other date you said would work, but I can
Oh,
see if you want. I can check after this and see if anybody could make the 21st.
okay. Then I will put that down with a question mark, Mr. Levine, and then you can let us know.
Okay.
And if that doesn't work, you said the 22nd would work?
No, I will be out. You had given another possible date in May. I can't remember which date it was, but that date would work.
Well, so Mr. Mixon, is it okay with you if we wait and see if someone can come on the 21st at 11:30?
Yes, I understand these are often tentative.
Okay,
It's just that'd be our preference that we could conduct it sometime prior to that status hearing date.
okay. Well, I have mediation down tentatively for April 21 at 11:30 a.m. If that changes, then we'll set a new date.
Great, thank you.
You're very welcome. Unless there are any questions, the roll call hearing in this matter is concluded. Thank you for coming.
Questions? Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're very welcome. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm recalling for Yuri. Excuse me 1 second. Just 1 second, please. Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 2E? The time is approximately 10:10. There's the one present on behalf of ANC 2E. I'm sorry, what was that? Did someone say something? There is no one present on behalf of ANC 2E. Therefore, the protest is dismissed. Ms. Chang,
Yes.
a board order will be issued to dismiss the protest. If the ANC seeks reinstatement of the protest, you'll be informed and have an opportunity to respond to their request for reinstatement.
Yes, actually, both parties signed the settlement agreement, and it's submitted in the April 7th to Mr. Berman, and I believe it's in review.
Thank you. I wasn't aware of that, so there would not have been a need for you to appear today, but I'm glad you did.
Yes.
Because I wasn't aware of that. And just 1 second, Ms. Chang.
Thank you.
And when did you say it was submitted?
Submitted April the 7th. I asked the ANC to file the withdrawal letter together with the settlement, fully signed the settlement agreement to Mr.
Yes.
Berman, and Mr. Berman sent us the quick email confirmation saying received. It was
Thank you.
April 7th. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. In that case, I retract the dismissal.
Yes.
of the ANC 2E protest because they're not here
Yeah.
because the party submitted a settlement agreement.
Yeah.
Ms. Chang, thanks for letting me know that, and thank you for coming.
No problem. Thank you
I
so much.
appreciate that. Okay, I'm gonna say bye for now and take care.
Yes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
The last case on the calendar is Aloha, case number 25PRO 00019 TK539 LLC 539 8th Street Southeast. License number ABRA 129362. This is a medical cannabis retailer, a new application with a delivery endorsement. The protest issues are adverse impact on peace, order, and quiet, transportation and parking, real property values, proximity to a preschool, and overconcentration. My name is Laverne Fletcher, conducting the roll call hearing as the board's agent. Is anyone present on behalf of Aloha? Is anyone present on behalf of ANC 6B?
Yes, David Sobelson, ANC Commissioner for the district that includes the location of the applicant.
Thank you, Mr. Sobelson. Would you spell your name for the record, please?
Of course, David is David. Sobelson is S as in Sam, O, B as in boy, EL, S as in Sam, OH, N as in Nancy. We also
you,
have
Mr.
another ANC commissioner here and the chair of our ABC committee, both of whom will introduce themselves.
Okay, Ms. Opal Weiner. Ms. Upper Weiner, I should say. So, Ms. Upper Weiner, you are on mute at this moment, but I see you though.
Aha. So
Hi.
anyway, it's been already a crazy morning for me. Ellen Opera Weiner, I am chair of ANC 6B ABC committee, and it's ELLEN. Last name is Opera Weiner, OPPER hyphen capital WEINER.
Thank you, Ms. Upper Weiner. Is anyone else present from the ANC?
Excuse me, I believe Mr. Pastore is on call. I don't know if he can be seen, but he's the vice chair of the ABC committee for ANC 6B.
So, Mr. Pastore, are you there? Let's see here.
He told me this morning he was going to be.
So I see the name Anna Krebs.
Yes.
Is that hi, Ms. Krebs?
Hi, I'm not Commissioner Pastore. I'm Commissioner Anna Krebs.
Yeah, yeah. I was looking. Yeah, I see you. I don't see him. But can you're a commissioner as well, right?
I am. Yes.
Yeah. If you could state your name and spell it for the record, please.
Absolutely. My name is Anna Krebs. First name Anna, ANNA. Last name Krebs, KRE. B as in boy, S as in Sam.
Thank you very much.
And 6B06. Apologies.
Yes. Thank you. ANC 6B does have standing as a protestant. We need to set a date for mediation, a status hearing, and a protest hearing. I'll give you the dates for the status and protest hearing first. The status hearing is set for
Ms.
May.
Fletcher?
Yes.
The applicant is, you didn't call for the applicant, whether they were available.
Thank you, Ms. Opper Weiner. Is the applicant present? Well, hello. Who's speaking?
Hello. No, this is Samuel Pastore. I'm the ANC for 6B05.
Okay.
No.
Mr. Pastore, I'm going to note that you're present. And if you would spell your name for the court reporter, please.
Pastore, Samuel.
Okay, thank you very much.
And just to confirm, this is for Tobacco King, correct?
This is for Aloha.
That's
Tra-
what I'm. Tobacco King.
No, it's Tobacco King trading as Aloha.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
You're correct, Sam.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The applicant is not present. The time is approximately 10:20. Therefore, the application for the medical cannabis license is dismissed. The board issues a board order dismissing the application because the applicant is not present. ANC will receive a copy of the board order, and if the applicant seeks reinstatement of the application, you'll be kept informed and you'll have an opportunity to respond to that request.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Fletcher.
You're very welcome. Nice to see everybody anyway.
Okay.
Okay, the roll call hearing in this matter is concluded.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.
Mr. Topher?
Yes. Hi, Ms. Fletcher. Apologies for I was late logging on for the earlier matter, I believe.
No problem at all. Just a second.
This
I
this
was
is
informed by,
this is for the Karui
Durara.
yeah, Carrara, right.
And
I-
so what happened, Mr. Matthews? Ms. Chang was present and Ms. Awasaki were present, and they informed me that the ANC submitted a settlement agreement to our office on April 7th.
That's correct, yes.
And so I made a note of that, and there's, thanks for coming. If I had known about that before today, this case would not have been on the calendar today, but no problem. So there's nothing you need to do.
Okay, excellent.
But I've just
Uh,
noted that you did appear.
oh, excellent, excellent. Apologies for the delay. And yes,
No
I
problem.
hope
Glad you made it.
the language is accepted and they can open as planned.
Exactly.
All
Okay,
right.
well,
Well,
thanks for coming.
thank you so much, Ms. Fletcher. Take care.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Sure. Bye.
Okay, there are no other cases on the calendar today. Is anybody present with a question for me before I log off? Okay. The roll call hearings for today are concluded. Bye, everybody.
Thank you, Ms. Fletcher. I don't have any questions. I'm all good to go.
Well, you're very
And-
welcome.
Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and it was nice to chat with you. And until next time.
You too. I'll see you next week.
Next week. All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
All righty.
Bye.
Bye-bye.